What's up, boys and girls? This is Math Geek, and I'm going to show you some easy math. Now, this is a story problem, and I underlined the important information that you need. To always find the important information, you look where the numbers are. Got one. All right, never mind. So once you already have all the numbers, you find, okay, why is this stuff important to me? So let's go with the first number, 36 feet. Now, as you look over here, it's the Ferris wheel. Now, I put 36 down because that's how big it is, and you have to find the center. So you have to divide by 2, so it's 18 and 18. Where I got the 2 was right here. It says 2 feet above the ground. So I always have to say it's 2. Now, I just have to see where it equals. 2 plus 18 equals 20. Simple math right there. So now we have to draw where the middle is, and now we have to find how high it goes up and down. To find that, we have to say, all right, 36 divided by 2 is just 18. So you go 18 up and 18 down. So at 38 and at 2. And that's when the wheels spin. Now let's find period. To find period, you have to find RPM, how long it spins. So if it spins 3 turns every minute, to get 1 spin, we just have to find how fast it goes, so x. Now we have to cross multiply. And we would get 3x equals 60. Now you have to divide by that 2 and get x equals 20. Once we have that, we can start writing down the equation. Now, it starts at 0, so we know it's cosine, and it's at the lowest point of so it's going up from now on. So it's going to be negative. How long it goes up and down, so 18, cosine of the period. Now to get period, it's 2 pi over whatever x is. We found out x equals 20. And so it's 2 pi divided by 20. To get pi by itself, you just divide everything by 2, so it's pi divided by 10. That's what we have for period. Now we also have time, t, over where the starting point is, plus 20. Now, once we have all that, we can start making a graph. 0, you get 2. Now, to find period is 20. So we have to go to the line and find, okay, so at 20, it does a full spin. Now, once we have that, we can just start putting dots down. So at 5, that's divided by 20 by 4 to get a full circle. So 5 is up here. At 10, way up here at the finishing point. At 15, comes back to the middle. And at 20, a full cycle. Go back at 0. Now we have to finish up the graph. And now the graph is done. Now we just have to connect the dots. Once we do that, now we have to find C. Use H to estimate a person's above the ground at t, 12, or t equals 17. So all we have to do is plug in numbers. So negative 18 cosine of pi divided by 2, 10, times 17 or 12. Let's go with 12 for us since it says 12. Plus 20. Now we just have to plug that into the calculator. We have to switch the mode to radian, so it's good. Now it's going to be plug and chug. Negative 18 cosine of pi divided by 10 times 12 plus 20. Now it equals 34.5. Now we have to round down, and 2 goes to 6, so just 6. Now we can just hit second entry and change 12 to 17. Now we got 9.419, so we round up to 9.42. This is how we can make math easy.